Welcome back to Condo, your go-to destination for stylish condo living and inspiring interior design ideas. Today, we're diving into a design trend that perfectly balances edgy and elegant, refined industrial condo style. If you love the raw charm of industrial aesthetics but crave a polished, luxurious finish, you're in the right place. This style blends urban grit with modern sophistication, creating a space that feels both bold and inviting. Think exposed materials softened by sleek finishes and minimalist layouts elevated with high-end details. It's all about contrast and mastering it beautifully. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Condo, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite interior style. Let's transform your condo into an urban sanctuary. Refined industrial design takes inspiration from old factories and warehouses, but reimagines them with a modern, upscale twist. It's not just about exposed pipes and concrete, it's about intentional design that feels curated, not unfinished. This style thrives on contrasts: rough versus smooth, dark versus light, vintage versus contemporary. By carefully balancing these elements, you create a space that feels layered, dynamic, and sophisticated. In a condo setting, this approach is especially powerful. Limited space becomes an advantage, allowing each design choice to stand out and contribute to a cohesive, striking aesthetic. At the heart of industrial design are raw materials like concrete, exposed brick, and metal. These elements bring authenticity and texture, instantly giving your condo an urban edge. Concrete walls or floors can act as a neutral canvas, while exposed brick adds warmth and character. Metal accents, whether in furniture or fixtures, introduce structure and contrast. The key to refinement is restraint. Instead of overwhelming the space, choose one or two raw materials and let them shine while complementing them with softer finishes. To elevate the industrial look, incorporate sleek finishes like polished stone, glass, and high-gloss surfaces. These elements add a sense of luxury and balance the ruggedness of raw material. For example, a marble countertop paired with matte black cabinetry creates a stunning visual contrast. Glass partitions can maintain openness while adding a modern, refined feel. This combination ensures your space doesn't feel too harsh or cold, but instead exudes a curated, high-end vibe. A refined industrial condo typically features a neutral color palette. Think shades of gray, black, white, and beige. These tones create a calm and cohesive backdrop. To avoid a flat look, layer different shades and textures. Combine matte and glossy finishes, or mix warm and cool tones to add depth and interest. Subtle pops of color, like deep green or navy, can be introduced through decor pieces, adding personality without disrupting the overall aesthetic. Lighting plays a crucial role in defining the mood of your space. Industrial-style lighting fixtures, like pendant lights and exposed bulbs, add character and drama. for designs with metal finishes or geometric shapes to enhance the industrial vibe. At the same time, choose warm lighting to soften the overall look. A well-placed statement light can act as both a functional element and a centerpiece, tying the entire design together beautifully. Furniture in a refined industrial condo should be both practical and stylish. Look for pieces with clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and high-quality material. Leather sofas, wooden tables with metal frames, and streamlined shelving units are perfect choices. They bring warmth while maintaining the industrial aesthetic. Avoid overcrowding the space. Each piece should serve a purpose and contribute to the overall design harmony. Industrial design thrives in open spaces, making it ideal for condo living. An open layout enhances flow and allows natural light to move freely throughout the space. Use rugs, furniture placement, or glass dividers to define different areas without closing off the space. This keeps the design airy while maintaining functionality. Smart zoning ensures your condo feels spacious and organized, even with a bold design style. While industrial design can feel minimal, personal touches are essential to make the space feel like home. Add artwork, plants, or curated decor pieces that reflect your personality. Greenery, in particular, softens the industrial look and introduces a refreshing, natural element. It's a simple way to add life and color. Remember, less is more. Choose meaningful pieces that enhance the design rather than cluttering the space. Refined industrial condo style is all about balance, combining raw textures with sleek finishes to create a space that's both edgy and elegant. It's a design approach that transforms urban living into a luxurious experience. With thoughtful choices and attention to detail, you can achieve a look that feels modern, sophisticated, and uniquely yours. Whether you go bold or subtle, the key is to stay intentional with every element. Thank you so much for watching Go Condo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see you in the next design inspiration.